President and COO of Viva Communication.
Hello, good afternoon po.
Good afternoon. Salamat for joining us today. Si Val is here to talk about some bagong baby ng Viva. So I'm here to support her.
Kuya.
I know just like what she did for Viva One, magiging successful then, of course with your support. So Val is here to share with you the good news.
Thank you, Kuya, for your support as always. So we're here today to initially discuss yung aming bagong platform po. Ang pangalan po nito ay Viva Movie Box. So with the success po of our Viva Max and Viva One, si Boss Vic decided to venture into another platform. Ito po yung tinatawag na Viva Movie Box. So nauuso po ngayon yung vertical dramas, vertical shorts. So ito po yung aming foray into this kind of platform. Ito po, mahina po. Mic test. So, ito po ay launch namin sa November 10. It coincides with Viva's 44th anniversary. So, ito yung aming bagong offering namin. We're in mga bagong kwento at mga bagong klase ng content naman ang makikita ninyo. Bye, guys. As you saw kanina dun po sa sizzle reel, iba-ibang klaseng drama naman po ang makapanood natin dito.
I'm just wondering, yung pag-venture into different...
Sorry po,
Mahina.
Jenna mahina.
Hello? Ayun, mas malakas na.
Opo.
Curious lang ako ba, yung pag-venture ng Viva into different platform aside from cinema, hindi yan makaka-affect sa production of full-length films?
Hindi naman po, sa tingin namin, maganda po that we're also able to offer yung ibang klase naman ng content na pwedeng mapanood ng ating viewers. Kasi magkaiba naman po siya. Siyempre pag sa cinema, upo ka po doon, nunod ka, full attention, dito po yung mabilisan. Mabilisan lang, pwede mo panoorin habang naglalakad ka, nag-aantay ng MRT, or nag-aantay ng elevator, ganyan po. So, ano lang siya, mas pasok po siya sa kung paano gumalaw ang mga tao sa ngayon. Opo. Anytime, anywhere.
So may certain niche siya.
Opo.
Thank you. You have a question, Jim Lali?
Yeah, elemental mo. Sa ganda mo.
Subukan muna.
Hindi, elemental lang. Okay, Val. Yan.
Yes po.
Bakit akong name mo? Open ko. Ikaw pinaka-close ko. Hindi, Val. Kanina you mentioned, this is in time for the anniversary.
Yes po.
Ito yung pinakamalaking event niyo for the anniversary. Kasi ako, I still remember, nung bata pa ako, inaabangan ko lagi pag November, ang mga handog ng Viva, di ba? Ito yung buong November, talagang puno-puno kayo ng movies, di ba? May time pa na si Sharon, si Nora, si Vilma, may movie, di ba? Pero, ito yung pinakamalaking event for November, for the
Parang
anniversary.
ito po, yes. Panibagong platform para po sa ating lahat. Yes, ito po, ang ating big event for our anniversary.
Okay. Val, naniniwala ka? Or kaya ba may ganito na kayong platform? Kasi naniniwala kayo kung wala na ang TV.
Hindi naman po. I think po, iba-ibang market, iba-ibang platform. So gusto lang po namin na able to reach as much people as we can. Kasi po, yung iba, syempre, mas gusto nila sa TV, yung iba, mas gusto nila sa mobile, yung iba, mas gusto nila long-form streaming, yung iba naman na wala masyadong oras, mabilisan lang. Ito po yung Viva Movie Box. Kasi mga 1, 2 minutes, 3 minutes lang siya per episode.
Ang bongga ng Viva, talagang kung anong nauuso, talagang sumusunod kayo. Kasi iba masyado silang conservative eh. Hindi sila sasabak basta-basta sa mga ganitong platforms, di ba? Pero kayo, lagi kayong always open kayo sa mga pagbabago. Di ba? Tama, Vincent?
Oo, pero kahit kahit si Boss Vic quite adventurous sa pag-venture sa mga bagong negosyo. Sinisigurado muna niya at ang grupo na na-test na ng ibang mga nauna. If you see something successful, we try to mirror it, pero hindi kami nagmamadali. We make sure first that all the mechanisms are there bago namin i-launch. So far, okay naman kasi pumasok in streaming. We had zero knowledge at the time of that business. So along the way, inaral namin, siyempre maraming failures. Pero eventually naman natubok namin, and that led us to launch yung second platform, streaming platform, yung Vivo One. Then nakita namin na again, successful, nag-resonate sa young adult na market. Nag-launch kami ng mga bagong artista na nag-excite ang public. Then at the same time, nakapag-create kami ng mga hit recordings born out of those mga series. So ito is another test for us. At nakita namin yung success ng mga China platforms, China-made platforms, Drama Box, Shorts. So parang kaya kaganyan dahil di ba nasanay na tayo because of TikTok na vertical na natin pinapanood. It's so inconvenient to watch horizontal a movie. So kahit nung nauso, naging accepted yung vertical na videos, parang naging natural na extension yung nagkaroon ng long form pero chapter-based na mga series. So, ito yung konsepto ng Viva Movie Box. Pwede siyang weekly na subscription. Pwede rin tingi. So, bili ka lang per chapter. So, I think by next week we will announce the pricing. So, very affordable and parang very appropriate sa very mobile na market.
Pero Vincent and Val, ang bongga, kasi ang Vivo One, siyempre, alam naman natin, yung mga young superstars ngayon, nasa Vivo One, mga sikat talaga. So eto, inaasahan nyo na ang Viva Movie Box, eto yung mga susunod na bubongga, magiging viral stars, superstars.
Sana po.
Thank you.
Actually, outside of yung mga bagong artista, so namin bigyan ng opportunity, magagaling na artista na hindi nakapag-take ng lead sa mga pelikula o sa mga series. Makahanap sila ng bagong quality, mapansin sila ulit. That's why you see mga veteran actors, mga dating sikat na bigyan ng opportunity mixed with yung mga current exciting naman. So, at ito naman is part of our playing and building up and sustaining yung success ng mga artists ng Viva Artist Agency. Sama-sama, bago, veterans, ayun. Mga nagka-second year, ayun, pinibibita na ni Valerie. So, maganda dahil busy lahat ng mga artists namin.
Ang dami ng platforms kaya ang dami na talaga luminat sa PAA. Pero yan, congratulations. Eto, magtatanong daw si Nikki Wang, the editor of Manila Standard.
Parang
ano to,
Parang may host na tayo ngayon.
Host na kami.
Thank you, John Lalin. Since per episode only runs for 1 minute to 3 minutes, is it safe to say that production-wise, it's let's say less expensive to produce vertical series compared to producing, a full-blown series?
Actually, hindi po. It's still quite pricey. Doesn't mean na it's shorter, it's cheaper. Kasi we still need to produce about 50, 60, 70 episodes for one movie. So, as compared to one episode ng isang series, parang parehas lang siya halos.
And Miss Val, addition lang, kasi sa Sokmed, especially sa TikTok, ang mga vertical series ay sobrang pinapirate. So, do you have any parang safeguard in place, to protect your content and also, to protect the artist in sa mga series ilalabas na or movies?
The platform will have safeguards, but at the end of the day, it's beyond our control how the materials are being pirated. Kasi kahit saan naman po sa mundo, ay sobra pong malagana po yung piracy. But sa platform itself, meron po kami ng mga safeguards katulad ng sa Viva One at Viva Max.
That's nice. Congratulations.
Thank you po.
And the next to ask her question is Ms. Tessa. Wish are you allowed the Manila Times?
Go po, share.
Ang dami nating hosts today. Congratulations and advance happy anniversary, of course, to the amazing Del Rosarios. I mean, you truly are a blessing to the industry dahil tuloy-tuloy po yung pagbibigay nyo ng trabaho sa napakaraming tao. Besides the actors, of course, I think, well, not that it's an easy job, I'm sure, but parang when I think about it, they may have it easier because they'll have a director to help them to adjust into how they will present, or how to get into the vertical platform. I'm just wondering po, in terms of the director and then the script writers, dahil kailangan sobrang exciting po, bawat, within a minute or two, and where you cut it, how you do it. I'm just wondering if these screen writers and directors po ay nanggaling po sa existing pool na po ng Viva and pina-train po ba sila, or did you have to also go outside and look for people who have become, experts in this new platform?
Hello? Okay, so, sa amin po kasi we're open to all, to working with everyone. Yes, we work with people that we worked with before in our platforms din. But we also have a very good in-house production team guiding the directors and writers at PTAP for each project. So we use talents from television, from movies, from the ones that we do also sa Viva Max or Viva One, and then in collaboration with our in-house creatives and producers.
So the learning po for everybody is continuous.
Yes,
That's
always.
another good thing. So if you could just give us a peek po and discuss siguro at least one of the titles that will be on offer by next week. If I'm correct, sino po yung title po, yung artista nun, and then maybe the director.
Baka best if I show a trailer.
Sige po.
Can we show akin ka lang, please?
Sino net? Kasi introduce ko Policar. I'm so excited. I've never done this before.
One day.
Again, Ayan, welcome.
Wow.
Since ako yung may mic, welcome. Nandun yung Fari at CD5. Iba-ibang host kasi. And the Kuyas.
Baka
Or maybe if you wanna, I can just show you. I have here on my. I came prepared.
Pwede ko si, Boss Val, show us muna in her. Ano na.
Yes, usually yan.
Wrong file po.
Ready now, like ready to be placed in.
I think we've already fought 5, but we'll finish 7 by next week, right?
In 2 years na po, since obviously lahat po tayo idol natin yung OG na visionary na si Boss Vic. Ano po yung kanyang reaction nung nakita po niya yung una niyong nagawa? How was his reaction? I'm just so interested to find out.
Parang happy naman.
Happy?
Parang naman. Yeah, parang happy naman.
And kayo po dalawa, how long do you think, is this a fad? Or do you think that we will have this, kind of entertainment for many years to come na rin po? And it will be a legit form of entertainment na rin po.
I think legit na yung, diba, yung vertical viewing. Actually, yung ganitong platform that you look at, yun na, diba, Reels, Reels, Instagram, TikTok, it's all patayo, hindi pa ikaw. So, ito magtatagal, and then yung stickiness ng parang soap, parang siyang soap, diba? Itong naabangan mo the next episode, the next chapter. So, I think mahaba ang shelf life. So, pero yung kanina na tanong mo, di ba, are there enough people that you can use to create one? Actually, kung titignan mo yung trabaho sa Viva, in terms of content production, or itong movie box, we commit to one original a week. So that's 52 a year. No? Sa Viva Max, ang commitment is 70 na feature-length na movies. 70 o 50 nito 120. Hindi pa natin bibilangin yung ginagawa ni Valerie para sa Viva na series. 12 to 15 na series naman, between 12 to 16 episodes. So, yun, plus yung 15 to 20 na nilalabas namin sa sinhan. As recently, pasalamat kami sa tulong niyo. We had parang back-to-back na success sa box office with yung dalawang pelikula ni Jason Paul. So I think it's a good indication na pwede po pala kaming magpahit. Happy kami na naitawid. So, all in all, siguro we spend maybe close to $1 billion a year on this content. So it's because Vic is rolling the dice. Kasama doon, of course, yung pinoproduce for television, Tope Bato, para sa isa't isa. So, lahat yun, is yung part ng belief niya yung industry is worth betting on, hedging, and long-term niya tinitingnan. That's why we continue to try and discover new talents. Bigyan sila ng platform para sumikat, magkaroon ng opportunity mag-break up. And then, pati yung dati na artista, magkaroon ng opportunity na mapansin ulit. And then, of course, yung creative community, the directors, the writers, we all embrace them, whether they're producers in their own right. So, kami, palaging naghahanap ng mga kasama. Kahapon, we went through 6 hours of pitching, listening to probably mga 30 concepts. Isa-isa, napakinggan ni Boss Vic. Ini-engage na yung writer, yung director, yung producer. Siyempre lahat maganda. But siyempre, eventually, yung maganda binabalance namin sa commercial, sa commerce. Will it resonate sa mga tao? Pansin kaya sila. So, But we're happy providing work. We're happy for being asked to provide for work. Yung maraming tickets, i-enjoy kami, we find time. So again, your question, I think daming magagaling na writer, na director, mga artista na enjoy kami makatrabaho, mabigyan ng trabaho. So, yun. Yun I think yung tanong ko, anong parang malaking event ng Viva this anniversary? Siguro ang sagot, every day, every month, meron kaming ginagawa to add fuel to the industry in our small little way.
That's why when people tell you more power to the Del Rosarios, we really truly mean more power. Congratulations po. And ang susunod po magtatanong ay wala sa kung hindi po, yes, si Alan Policarpio po ng Inquirer.
Good afternoon po.
Oh, ang ganda.
Kung naglabas ng 1 billion, magkano raw yung balik?
Magkano po yung balik?
I think yung sagot doon is, mahirap i-define dahil long tail, kung pelikula ngayon. Sample na lang, our first movie, Yes, I Love You, 1981. Up to now, we're monetizing it on weather television, on digital. So, mahaba panahon eh. So, I think every movie, regardless if it did well in the box office or did well on streaming, will eventually, at least the way we look at it, will eventually give us a return on the investment or make some profit. So, lagi sinasabi ng father namin, we produce movies pang long tail, pang marathon, hindi yung kita ngayon, anti-big time event. So, it's an asset play for us. It's just there.
So, my question po is, makikita rin po ba namin yung mga bigger stars nyo venturing them into vertical or more on mga yung para sa mga baguhan to build them?
Yes po, hindi lang po ito para sa mga baguhan. We have the lives here dun sa first few na mga movies namin. We'll have the lives of sila Raisa Sinon, there's sila Mon Confiado, Luis de los Reyes. Hindi lang po siya sa mga baguhan natin.
Do you think we can also see yung mga hottest love teams natin like Ashless, Rapgel doing also vertical?
Yes po, eventually. Sana po.
And for you guys, ano po sa tingin niyo yung parang challenge of vertical storytelling naman? Parang pinag-aralan niyo pa siya yung
of course, we prepared for it also, no? But I think yung pinaka-challenge dito is how to keep each episode interesting and how to come up with the best cliffhangers. Kasi if you have like, let's say, 50 to 60 episodes, what would make you want to continue watching yung mga susunod? So dapat, kada episode, kaabang-abang yung bawat ending. So yun yung challenge and masaya para sa amin kasi iba namang klase ng paggawa ng content.
So parang yung style ba nito parang sa mga Chinese microdramas na super over the top yung mga actingan,
not necessarily over the top, but medyo soapy siya, but at the heart of it, kwentong Pinoy pa rin, laging may puso.
At last na lang po, how do you see itong mga vertical forms complementing yung mga iba yung output like yung mga traditional formats?
I think medyo iba siya, no? So it complements by it complements the other kinds of content kasi ibang klaseng form naman siya ng content. Meaning, kung gusto mo lang mabilisan lang na panoorin, dito ka sa Viva Movie Box. Kung medyo may oras ka para manood at gusto mo ng series na medyo bagets, punta ka sa Viva One. Gusto mo naman ng medyo action ang lalaki, pwede ka sa Viva Max. Gusto mong manood ng pelikula, doon ka sa scene. Parang ganun.
Parang naisip ko kasi like, may movie, tapos may mga shorter versions pa sila. Parang
Abangan po natin, baka meron.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you rin.
Sino ba yung gusto natin? Ito, of course, ang susunod na magtatanong is the iconic TV5 reporter and hot sauce. Official na ito. Reporter, anchor, and social media star. MJ Marboy.
Bigyan na yan ng vertical.
Thank you. Grabe naman. Sorry dami ko na nakain. By the way. Parang 5 minutes pa lang ako dito. Pero congratulations sa si Greyhound talaga. No, I know you're not gonna release stats. Tama ba ng minamahal? Or can you, ma'am? Stats of the box office because the fans have been asking, will you be releasing? What's gonna be next for Ash Dress? Yung ang modern section iba na move. Dami na ng tanong. So yun po. Nakali ko ba yun? Sorry. First, number 1. Will you be
So, ang
releasing?
Viva Movie Box po ay lalabas sa November
Ayan.
10.
Lalabas ba dyan ang minamahal? Viva Vertical?
I think yung in terms of sa box office, obviously happy kami reaction ng mga followers nila, masaya sila. Sila naman yung parang audience ng unang pelikula nila to be able to give them more than what they got from the Mutya series. Ang problema lang kasi, we don't assign checkers anymore sa mga cinemas. SM reports that, but there are some cinemas 3 weeks na wala kami report. So we have a feel of how it will end up. But might not be fair to the cinemas and the movie itself and the stars if we give actual reports now. Delayed yun I think. Parehas pelikula yung pati yung Stella delayed. So, but we're happy. We should make money. We're sure that we created new idols, which I guess is more worthwhile for us. And then si Belle and si Casey have proven that the partnership is evergreen. Whatever they do, parang become successful. So we're happy. We're showing everyone.
Everyone knows everyone, October 22.
Next week, sila Alessandra and parang some of the best actors that we have in the industry. So very excited about that and iba naman.
How about for the calendar of the young adult? Ito na, no, yung mga fandom, which is, of course, yung ang Mutya, they'll be moving December po ba? Tama po ba? Can you announce?
We'll make the formal or official announcement as soon as we're sure, but the target is still to release it this year.
And of course, for Viva Movie Box, where do you see this going? Especially trailblazers ng Viva in the entertainment scene. Kumbaga, di ba, hindi kayo tumigil mag-produce, gumawa ng titles, to bet on new stars, and now we're betting on vertical viewing. Where do you see this going? And what's your commitment to vertical viewing? Kumbaga, walang bibitail, parang gano'n.
Yes, sabi nga, mahirap bumitaw. Sabi nung Viva Movie Box. But the target is to release one movie every week. Starting November 10. So, like si Boss... Like si Boss Vincent mentioned, yung commitment namin sa paggawa ng content ay tuloy-tuloy naman. Upon launch, we'll have 30 foreign titles already available sa platform and then... 30? 30.
Tangalized.
Tangalized.
So foreign and tangalized. And then one original.
Every week. Afterwards.
Intense.
Thank you. Tito Julie? Yes. The next is the infatigable, iconic, one and only, number one source, Mr. Jojo Garnete. Make or break your career. We love you.
Anong muna? Yung mga vertical na sa clown ng NTRC.
I believe pag streaming ko, hindi po ito sa
Tapos sa isang movie, ilang episodes, saka gaano matagal ang shoot?
Number of episodes namin will range from, I think, 50, 55 until mga 70. Ganyan. It depends po on the story. Ang shoot po namin, we're ranging ng 3 to 5 days. Depende po sa number of episodes.
Tapos nakita ko, ang dami yung artista na bibigyan ng trabaho. Hindi lang mga bida stars na.
Yes, dito na.
May effort talaga sila balagay ng production team na i-set up. Kasi kundi parang ulit yung mga artista. So, ina-acquire nila. And I think maganda in terms of yung experience ng ibang artista, different character. Lagi may post-take, kukuha sila ng mga established artists, kinahaluan ng mga bago, non-diva artists.
Maganda ka.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Ano sa rest?
Grabe naman sa Tito Jo. So, you mentioned na yung vertical series, parang nabig si mga Chinese, medyo soap siya. Pero, is it also mixed ng ibang genres like adult, pwede mong possibly in the future, horror, mga iba-iba?
Yes, we're launching sa ngayon with adult drama, family drama fair na originals. But eventually, you'll see here mga different genres as well. Hopefully horror, malay na action, comedy, pwede fantasy. We're open to all and we will try all. It's a matter of facing it kung kailan namin siya ilalagay.
And then last question, meron po ba tayong price point as of now?
Yes. Okay, so price point is we will subscription will be 59 pesos per week. Diba? Not bad. Yeah, you have that option also. But we start off with 59 pesos per week. If isipin mo yan, that's roughly 8 pesos per day. Watch all you can. Only na yan. Mura lang siya talaga. But eventually, we will launch also yung aming currency. So, in this platform, we will also sell coins. Kung gusto niyo ng tingi-tingi, bili kayo ng coins. Basically, parang gano'n.
And then parang it's in a wallet, you use it as
Yes.
Actually, yung wallet na eventually bubukas sa lahat.
Sa iba-iba pa naming platform.
The same currency. Ang galing.
Thank you. Ang kwento namin sa more pag ready na siya. But 59 per week, Viva Movie Box.
And sorry, last time. Pag drop ng title, complete na siya.
Yes, yes. So you get a few episodes for free, maybe 5 to 7, and then parang ganun. Yes.
First to sa Philippine entertainment industry.
No, I think Signal has launched their vertical, but it's not a standalone platform. It's embedded in Signal Play. Ito is a standalone platform. You have to download the app, whether on Google or iOS.
First,
I think so. Standalone.
Hindi maingay signal eh.
Si MJ.
Maingay sa vertical ng signal.
Then nasa loob kasi nung na Signal Play na app.
Pasok ka pa sa...
Ako nandun? Correct?
Yes po.
Yes, okay na ka.
Okay na. Okay na, okay na.
Salamat po.
Grabe naman.
Yung kinuha ng musical si Andres. Kaya,
Ayun nga pala, yung pati ano rin, yung bagets na theatrical, musical. Excited din kami. So,
Grabe, pati musical pinasok.
grabe ang galing.
Oo naman.
Kasi yun ko kasi you mentioned
Wala ko
that
nagkira muna.
after the musical ba, i-remake yung bagets?
The movie.
Kasi parang duda ng iba, after the musical, magkakaroon ng another bagets movie.
sa ngayon, wala naman, walang plan. Pero laging yung IP naman, nandyan lang eh. So, pwedeng i-activate kung sakali. May need na gawin. Pero very interesting na kung maririnig. Ang hirap lang kasi parang you cannot outdo na sila aga, sila nagraming better na hindi dito na. Kasi ito naalala mo, no, after nung bagit, pagkaroon ng part 2, hindi na rin eh. Oo eh.
Marami excited with Andres and you.
Oh yeah, yes.
Si Super. Paano nyo pala nakuha si Kate? Paano nyo na?
I think nag-audition siya. So, marami, I think 500 yung mga guys nag-audition doon. But lumutang siya.
Next question.
Ay, sorry.
May plan po kayo na itamp yung mga global audience?
Oh,
Yes, next year, sometime next year, early next year, I think Q1, mag-launch na yung international market. So ngayon, Philippines muna, until mga end of the year, hopefully Jan or Feb, open na tayo worldwide. Thank you po.